Please don't skip, okay? Let me show you what you can be making with as little as $9.99, okay? So this is a business that anybody with zero experience can start right away. All right, it's just called buying and keeping. All right, it's just like a traditional storage business that most people are into, okay? Both the rich and the poor, situation where people will buy grains when during the harvest and store them, okay, until close to rainy season or during rainy season. When the prices are high, then they sell, okay? Now this is done exactly the same way on NFT. All right, this platform allows you to buy NFT arts, okay? You buy arts, you save them for 1 month, if you like 2 months, as the money appreciates to your own satisfaction, then you sell. All right, now there is this NFT that lasted for 2 months, okay? It was sold to $9.99, okay? Now the current price is 45.58. What do you have as your interest? 35.59. So imagine you are buying $100 worth of this NFT. All right, that means you have 10 NFTs, okay? So you're going to multiply your interest, $35.59 by 10. You'll be making a whopping sum of $355, guys. If you want to know more about this, there is a link on this on the description link. All right, there's a link in the description box. Follow the link and watch the full tutorial, okay? You can equally join my Telegram group where I show you the main deal. All right, now look at the particular NFT I was talking about. This design is called the Rough Stone, okay? It was sold on the 1st of November 2022, and the current price today is 45.58. Guys, you don't have any reason to be poor. You don't have any reason to be broke in your life, okay? Just take this opportunity. I am enjoying from this. Many of my students are enjoying from this, okay? Don't be a doubting Thomas. Jump into this and let's roll together, okay? Make sure you join my Telegram group. The link is in my description box, okay?